Here is one of the platform developer 1 question. Here the question is there is a custom controller class that has one public property called string and one public method that returns string and one the another public method that also returns string. Okay. There is a VF page that access these methods and property in it, okay, through this expressions. So what does the user see when when he executes this VF page? That's the question. Okay, there are 4 options provided. Okay, let's see which one is correct. Let me copy the same code into Salesforce and then let me execute and then find the answer. Okay. Here is the custom controller class. I just copied it. So as I said, there is a public property, one public method and one more public method. Okay. Here is the VF page. So in the VF page, the first expression is C string. So the C string is nothing but the public property here. And so since there are no values assigned to us, it should return null. So it should be a null followed by comma, because whatever you type here in the VF page between pages, that will be shown in the output screen. So there will nothing be displayed here, and it should display comma followed by empty value, and then string method 1. Here string method 1 is this. So this is returning C string. Again, C string is not initialized when declared. So it should be null once again. So null and then followed by comma. Okay, next is string method 2. Here we have, okay, here there is a condition. It just checks whether it is null, then it's returning, setting the value method 2 to C string. Okay, then it's returning the value. So which means here when this expression, that is when this expression gets executed, it goes and calls this method and then sets value method 2 to this, and then it's finally returning the value. So the output for this method 2 would be method 2. So up to this comma comma method 2 will be returned followed by comma and then once again C string. So here you see the C string is set to method 2 inside this method. So the scope will be lost once this method gets executed. So it is declared inside the method. So it's private. So I mean the value will not be retained when you go and invoke the other method. When you call, say for example, even if you call this method, it gets the value from the public instance. Okay, not from the value that is set inside the other method. So it should be null. Okay, it should be null here in this case because the value is set here and not in the calling method. So once it executes this is get and set, so it should return null. Okay, so it should return null here. Okay, let's execute this and see what the answer is. See, comma method 2 and null. Okay. So let's mark the answer for this question. See, the answer is P. Thank you.